All right, those were 8 of my Fat Boy ice cream sandwiches with vanilla ice cream. Next thing I'm gonna come in with is my Smucker's marshmallow topping, and we are gonna drizzle that right on top of our ice cream sandwiches. And I do have 2 of these so that we can really cover up those ice cream sandwiches. Oh my goodness, this ice cream marshmallow topping is literally the best, and it's gonna taste incredible with those sandwiches. We're just gonna kind of spread that out so we get a nice layer of that marshmallow fluff covering up all of those sandwiches. Now I'm gonna crush some graham crackers right on top. This is gonna add a nice little crunch, and it's gonna add to one of my favorite flavors for summer. And this easy no-bake dessert is something you're gonna wanna make all summer long. It is delicious, it is sweet, and it has everything you want in a dessert and more. So we have marshmallow, graham crackers. The only thing we're missing, some chocolate. And I'm gonna do a drizzle of chocolate right on top of all of those ice cream sandwiches. Oh yeah, that looks delicious. Now I'm gonna add another layer of our ice cream sandwiches right on top of that marshmallow fluff, those graham crackers, and that chocolate syrup. So we're gonna have a stacked dessert here. Oh yeah, all that delicious thick ice cream, those yummy little chocolate cake pieces, and everything good in life. Yum. I'm gonna move this to the side and bring in a medium bowl, and I'm gonna grab my 8 ounces of Cool Whip. You can make your own homemade Cool Whip if you prefer, but I like to use the pre-made stuff. Once we get all that in there, the next thing we're gonna add is our chocolate instant pudding. So by adding chocolate pudding to this, it makes our Cool Whip a chocolate Cool Whip, which is so yummy. And we're just gonna fold that into our Cool Whip. Oh my, it smells so good. I absolutely love chocolate. I love marshmallows. I love graham crackers, and I love ice cream. Our s'mores ice cream cake is gonna be ready in just a bit once we get this fully mixed. All right, this looks absolutely perfect. It's okay if it's not all the way mixed because it adds like a nice marbling effect. But we're gonna bring back our dish and we're gonna top our sandwiches with our chocolate Cool Whip. Oh yeah, the perfect touch to this easy no-bake dessert. And we are really gonna pile it on, get all of that Cool Whip out, and spread it from edge to edge. All right, so we gotta make this look pretty now. So I'm gonna bring in some mini marshmallows just to throw on top. Obviously the toppings are optional, but for me, they are mandatory. I think that looks good. Now I have a Hershey's bar to add some actual chocolate pieces right in there. And we can just kind of break those apart and stick them here and there. I just think that kind of really shows everyone what our dessert is. More graham crackers that we're just gonna crush so that we have our whole s'more theme right on top of our ice cream cake so everyone knows what they're eating. That is it, you guys. I'm gonna pop this in the freezer for 1 hour and then it's gonna be ready. Oh my, it is time to dig in to our s'mores ice cream cake, and I'm just gonna cut right into there. Can't wait to see those layers, that marshmallow fluff. Doesn't it look amazing?
Oh my gosh, I want to eat it right now.
Get that right on our plate. Now the longer you leave this in the fridge to set, the better. Obviously we had a little melting here because we only left it in there for the hour. But I think this is gonna be delicious.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh. This is like better than s'mores. Wow.